Hello WordPress peoples. In this video I'm gonna talk about a new plugin I released which is called Toggle Content Block. So this block provides toggling between the contents. So all you have to do is just add the block and provide the content in the left and the right content like this. So I have added one image in the left content and another image in right content. So in the front side, it will display something like this. You can just switch this content using this button like this. So let's see how does it work. So first of all, I'm gonna spin up a fresh WordPress site. So let's go to my script dash setup. Let's say test BB. And let's wait for some time. It will just create a fresh WordPress site for me and it's done. Let's say yes. So yeah, this is how I create site on my local site. And let's log in to this and I'm gonna download this plugin. Okay, now let's install this plugin. I'm doing this because I am not sure this plugin doesn't come under the search over here. So if I try to search this, I don't see any plugin uh, based on this keyword. Like there are many other plugin. I'm not sure if that is only mine or not. But yeah, I sometimes my plugins are not there in the search result. So I'm gonna just simply upload this plugin over here and let's install it and activate this. So the plugin is activated, nothing fancy. We don't have any setting for the plugin. Now just add a post and I'm gonna say to the content and search toggle here. You will see this block toggle content. So first this is the left part and if you switch that, this is the right part. So first I'm gonna add into the left part. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna add an image and I will select I will upload an image over here and let's go here and I'm gonna add image over here. So let's upload this sample image. So this sample image in left side. Okay, and let's go to right content and I'm gonna add another image over here and I would select this one. Okay, so yeah, that's all. Let's make this center line for both. I mean, yeah. Okay, and that's it. I mean, you can add any of the block inside this left and right content. As of now, I'm just adding the image over here. You can just add styling to this whole block. So let's say I would like to set the black background, text is white. However, there is no text in this block. And let's add border for safe side and border color. I'm gonna say this. Let's set radius and I'm gonna add shadow as well. This one, and let's publish this and let's see how does it look on the front side. So this is how it looks. We can set padding as well. So let's go ahead here and I'm gonna set the padding and now it looks nicer. Yeah, of course, this is not the best view of your button, but yeah, this is just for the demonstrate purpose. Like this is how you can add, you can use this toggle block. And yeah, there are many other ways you can use other blocks to display toggling. For example, if you have monthly and yearly package, then you could use this block over there. So yeah, this is how simply you can use toggle content block, and plugin link is into the description section. I would like to have your review or suggestion or any feedback for this plugin. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Samna, Har Har Mahadev. Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.